Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Yeah, this is the highlight show from the Mercy and Eke show episode 8. In the episode 8 of the show, Mercy Eke finally reveals when she would get married. Stay tuned as I guide you through what happened on the show. The queen of the mercenaries has finally revealed when she will get married to her fans on the latest edition of What Next with Mercy and Eke. Recall, Mercy has been in a relationship with Ike since they met and their hearts connected in the Big Brother Naija house in 2019. Since leaving the show, Mercy and Eke has been able to cross many challenges in their relationship to the admiration of many, especially their fans and family members. Introducing their reality TV show named What Next was a good way to tell the world that there are more things to know about their relationship and the future that lies ahead of them. Since the show came on TV, viewers have been waiting for the two of them to come out of their storms and announce to the world that they are now ready to take their love tangling to the next level. Mercy, on the latest edition of the show, had a nice heart-to-heart chat with her sister Promise about what her answer should be if Ike proposes to her. The response Promise gave her was not so important because what Mercy had to say was the most important. Mercy told her sister that she was not under any pressure to get married and she was going to do that when she was ready to do so. Mercy further stated that she has more time to enjoy her life and make the best out of her spinsterhood before she says I do. In her words, she said, I am not under pressure to get married, but I would like to get married before I am 30. I have 3 more years to go. So if you were hoping to see Mercy Eke get married soon, you might have to wait for the next 3 years. But since Mercy and Eke are in a relationship, she just said this. Can we say we might not be getting the wedding invitation we have been waiting for anytime soon? Recall that from the previous episode, Mercy Lambo has been talking to Eke about proposing and getting married. She even told him that she will not allow any man to turn her to the Lord of the Rings because she does not see herself putting on an engagement ring for far too long. What do you think about Mercy and Ike's show? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if this is your first time of watching a video from my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.